Hello everyone, I've just upgraded to the new AirPods Pro 3 and wanted to share a quick and honest update with you. I bought them here in Cyprus at iStorm for 249 euros. Before this I had a second generation for 3 years and I was really satisfied with them. Very good quality, strong battery and everything. But around 6 months ago, the left earbud started working very poorly. So I decided it's a perfect time for upgrade. And I'm really happy with them so far. Two big improvements that stood out for me right away. So first of all, they offer up to 4 times more active noise cancellation than the original AirPods Pro. The noise blocking is very impressive. Second, you get up to 8 hours of listening time on a single charge with active noise cancellation turned on. Overall, I'm very satisfied with them. Good quality, very good sound, very fat bass. So I like them. But to be clear, if your AirPods Pro 2 are still working well and stably, I wouldn't recommend you upgrading, only if you are having problems with your current ones and you are not sure what to buy next. So just go and make an upgrade and buy the AirPods Pro 3 with confidence. I hope this short video was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any next updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.